Hello friends and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making brown sugar glazed carrots. So we're going to start off in a medium-sized pan, and to this you're going to add at least a half a cup to 3/4 cup of water depending on the amount of carrots you're putting into this. I'm putting in 16 ounces of baby carrots, which is generally what the bag size is for that, and you want to go ahead and put them all in and just make sure there's enough water to cover them. Sometimes these things range in size a little bit, so it might mean a little extra water. I put in just a little over half a cup. So we're going to put this on heat and bring it up to hot water so we can actually boil the water within the carrots. And then once it comes up to temperature, we're going to reduce the heat down and let it simmer for about 6 minutes to cook them. So as you can see in my pan, I am already boiling. If you need to put a lid on to make yours boil faster, doesn't hurt. It actually made mine heat up a lot faster. So anyway, once you're done with that, you're going to take your carrots and set them to the side, and in another pan you are going to put in 1.5 tablespoons of butter, which we're going to melt. And to that, you're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now, if you want these really sweet, add more brown sugar. What I'm putting in here gives them a sweet taste. And then you're going to add a little salt and pepper to taste. That is your choice on how much you put in. I wouldn't put a lot in. You're trying to go for the sweeter taste of this. So once your butter is melted, you're going to be actually mixing all of what you just put into this pan together. And it's going to give you this golden color in the bottom. Once you get that in like that, you're going to return the carrots you just cooked into this pot and then stir them through to get that mixture in the bottom all through them, and this is going to give them a sweet glazed taste. And you're going to want to let them be in there for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure all water is evaporated, and if you want to add any other seasonings, go right ahead. I added some extra pepper to it, and it's going to have a great taste. It's going to remind you a little bit like if you had yams or something, that flavor to it. But it's going to be sweet, but not overly sweet. It depends on how much brown sugar you use. And when it's done, it looks like this. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, and if you like the recipes, please check out my cookbook, which is available now on Amazon and stores worldwide. And I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.